Hi! In front of me is POCO C50 and today I would like to show you how you can switch on or off app notifications on this device. First of all, go into Settings and scroll down to access Notifications and Control Center. Then tap on App Notifications and click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to disable them, like Teams. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can always just click on one of your apps and tap on this switcher next to Show Notifications to switch them off or on. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!